Good morning, my dear students. I am Avinash, your English teacher. In the previous class, I taught you the story of the chapter Wonderful Waste. I think that you might have understand that story very well. And for that, today we are going to learn the question and answers of this chapter, the Wonderful Waste. Okay. So, are you ready? Nice. Students, first question it goes, what were the preparations in the palace for? The question I repeat, what were the preparations in the palace for? Just think about it. I am giving you 10 seconds time. Just think about it. Okay, I tell you the answer. There were preparations for a grand feast in the palace. Okay, uh, in the palace there was organized a grand feast, means a dinner party was organized by the king, the Maharaja of the city Travancore, in the palace. So preparations were going on for that. Okay, now we come to next question. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? I repeat my question. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? Answer is, the Maharaja went into the kitchen to see what dishes had been prepared for the feast. Students, when we uh, invites our friends to our home for lunch or dinner, then we again and again go to the kitchen and see what is being prepared for them. Okay, because we want that they should be happy to have the food in our house, so we go again and again to the kitchen and see. Okay, so same way the Maharaja went to the kitchen to see what dish had been prepared for the feast. Okay, so because the Maharaja was very excited to see what was being prepared for them, so the Maharaja went into the kitchen to see what dishes had been prepared for the feast. Feast means food. Okay. Third, what had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? Now, students, last class I told you when Maharaja asked the cook, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? So what cook replied? What was the plan of the cook? So we will answer this question in this way, that the cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. Understood? The cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. The cook was going to throw away those vegetable scraps because he thought that the vegetable scraps were useless. Okay, so we will answer in such a way. Now question answers are over. Now we'll come for true or false. Okay, now first question, the king had ordered a dinner in the palace. Now students, just think about it. According to the story, is it true or false? The king had ordered a dinner in the palace. True or false? Yes, it is true. Second one says, no one had heard of or tasted avial before. Now students, as I taught you in the last class, avial was the new dish which that cook invented that day. Okay, so it is obvious that it would not have been tasted before. Nobody would have tasted it before. So this line is correct, that no one had heard of or tasted avial before. It is true. So the answer is true. Now next question comes, the cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. Is it true? Beta, in third question itself we learned that cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. So this sentence is false, because cook was going to throw away. He was not going to make another dish with those vegetable scraps before asking by the Maharaja. After Maharaja asked, he was ready to do. Okay, so this statement is false. Now next question is another question. We will have a look at it. Question number 5th goes like this: a recipe is a list of directions to prepare dish. Students, you know what is a recipe? You all might have listened this word before. Recipe is a process, okay, or a way of directions in which a dish is prepared. Okay, like if anybody asks to prepare or to tell the recipe of dal, then first we will take some water, we will soak the dal in that water for some time, then we will put some oil in the cooker, then we will burn it, we will heat it for some time. Like this, a full recipe is told about that dish. Okay, so in this question it is asking that the following sentences are not in order for preparing avial. Okay, number them in the correct order. So you understand, some sentences are given in your book, and it is the same recipe which by which that cook in our story made the dish avial, but these sentences are not arranged in order. Okay, we have to just arrange them in order, that which sentence will come first, then which will come second, according to the recipe, which will come third, which will come fourth, which will come last, like this. Okay, so in this recipe we it goes like this, that just search first sentence. First sentence will come: wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Okay, see this is first sentence: wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Which is second sentence? Second sentence is this: cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Done. Now which is third? Third is this one: grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. This is third sentence. Fourth one is this: whip some curd and mix it in. Done. Now fifth sentence: pour some coconut oil on top. Sixth sentence: decorate with curry leaves. And seventh one, that is our recipe is over, the avial is ready. Okay, my dear students, this was the recipe, and according to this question it is done. Then sixth question comes: given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. Choose five things that you do when you reach home from school and write them in order. Okay, actually this activity we did in our worksheet also, so it will be some easy for you, and some students will have different answers, because their way of reaching this home after school, maybe some wash up before, some put away bag after, like this answers will be different. But here average answer is given, according to which first option is I put away my school bag. Okay, then second one is I change my school uniform. The third one is I wash up. Then fourth one is I have lunch. and finally I do homework. Some students play, then they do homework at late night. So different answers can be okay, but average a normal decent answer is this sequence. Okay. Then seventh question it gets, Maharaja was a wise man and ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them away. Then first option, first part, name some of the things which are thrown away at school or in home. Okay, name some of the things which are thrown away at school, at home or in school. So you have to name some things which you know, which you throw or somebody throws at home, like waste, or and in school. So the answer is the scraps of paper. The paper you sometimes some paper are not usable, then you throw away scraps of paper. Cardboard boxes, used up ball pens, like your ball pen is finished, then you throw them in dustbin. Vegetable peels, leaves. Okay, near your houses or in school some leaves are broken, you throw them in dustbin. And twigs, leftover food, etc. are thrown away at home or in school. Okay, my dear students, so this was the answer for this question. Next B part comes in, sit in group of 4 and think of interesting ways in which they can be made useful. Okay, so now students, these things which were thrown away like waste, you have to sit in group of 4, like in a family also you can sit, because nowadays due to lockdown you cannot go to your friends houses. So in family also, your peer group, your sister, brother, you can sit with them and you can think in how many ways we can make these things useful. So okay, like example is given, we can make things of paper, match, decorative articles and compost with them. Okay, some decomposable items, we can make compost of them. Okay, so this was over for this class, and today assignment for you is, you have to choose any one item which you throw at home, because nowadays you are not going to school. So at home, what you throw away, you have to choose that item, any one item, and you have to make something interesting usable out of that item. Okay, that is your assignment for today. Thank you.